bought it. I'm real disappointed though because I was misled. Look at that son of a bitch. That's just not right.
Misled.
Misled is right. Look, but it's got a fancy green color, and we like big,
fancy
bright
green colors.
We like that stuff. So the good news is we're going to put a tube in it. We're going to get it back on the road, and we're going to be riding upside down like crazy. So
Willie's flipping it
on.
I mean, look at the hands.
Boom!
That already shows the proof we're going to be doing some riding.
It's going to be dadgum scary. You be ready. Be ready.
Barrett, subscribe. Tell them subscribe. Leave a like.
Subscribe! Be part of it. Enjoy it.
Yeah. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. As you see, got the pit bike. I didn't mention anything about it. I didn't like say I was going to get a pit bike and everything, so this is probably just a surprise to you guys. So I went and, well, I've been looking at pit bikes the last couple days, and as you guys know, I rode a TTR 125 like a month, 2 months, I don't know, probably like 2 or 3 months ago. And it was one of my buddies that came over, and I was like, dang, this bike is fun. Wheelie king, I mean, you can just wheelie that thing all day, and you can just, you know, whip around a corner so quick. And I was like, that's super fun. I want a pit bike. So I went out, been looking for a pit bike, and went out and bought one, old gear, and got one right there, TTR 125. Some of you guys was telling me get like a KLX 110, and those are some pretty cool pit bikes. If you watch Tyler, then you know what I'm talking about in his pit bike, the way he built it. And they're pretty awesome pit bikes, but I want to, you know, stick with Yamaha. And nice trucks. But I just wanted to stick with Yamaha and get me a TTR 125. And they're pretty good bikes. And you know, I got a Yamaha YZ 250. So I was just wanting to stay with the Yamaha. You know, have 2 Yamahas sitting at the house. And we're gonna make some cool videos on it. It's gonna be pretty cool. And yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you get updated every single upload. And yeah, we got this stuff right here. As you see, I just picked up the bike. This dude, he works on, you know, what do he say he does?
This is his products, this is his company. He sold us a great bike, got a great product right here. Our buddy Chris, new guy to the channel, Professional Easy Off. Check him out, says he does a great job cleaning up your bikes, all your parts, all your tools and wrenches, cleaning up everything. Check him out.
Yeah,
thanks Chris, appreciate that.
Thanks Chris, man. You're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you are. I gave you my channel name. He wanted to send us some more of that degreaser. He gave us this gallon right here, just, you know, to test it out. It mixed with water, and we can clean our bikes, clean the cars up and stuff with that, get all the grease off. And he said it works really well, Professional Easy Off. And he gave us that, just, you know.
Hey, it cleaned our hands off really good.
Yeah, it cleaned our hands off good with all that grease and stuff. So he gave us that to test it out, see how we like it. And he said he was going to send me an Instagram DM or comment on Snapchat, get our address. He's going to send us a box of that. And I'm going to give him a shout out for his company or whatever. What's up, guys? 2 days after I got the bike, on the way to the shop now. Had to go pick up going to pick up a tube. When I went to pick up the bike, the dude's nephew said everything was good with the bike, but had a flat tire. I think it was just from sitting or something, or just a little pinch in the tube. So I'm on the way to the shop now to pick up a tube. All right, picked up the tube, motorcycle tube, 16-inch for the pit bike. So go home, put this thing in, let's do some ripping around. I know how you feel, Tyler, trust me. I know how you feel. It always happens to me too. You ain't the only one. And we're back, guys, just like that. Got the tube, the old tube right there. You can see all that slime on it, where the dude tried to, you know, slime it up and fix it. Well, went to the shop and got the, first off, we got a tube, tried to do it myself, pinched it. So I had to take the wheel and tire over there, and they put a new one in it. So yeah, it's time to ride, guys. I know you guys have been waiting for this. Trust me, I have too. And we're finna have some fun on this pit bike, so let's go. my legs, my knees straight, which I need to. I need to keep them against the bike, but it's hard to balance. It's just like I said, practice makes perfect. Dang it. Gear down. That dude didn't look too happy. Probably on the phone calling the cops right now. That's okay.